Grandpa Brad gathered his grandkids for an incredible Kenyan adventure. The African sun shone bright as they watched majestic elephants roam. They marveled at towering giraffes and playful zebras on the golden savanna. Grandpa shared stories about cultures around the world, each one beautiful. They learned to prepare a traditional Kenyan lunch, big pots bubbling with delicious food. Local children in colorful dress joined them, sharing smiles, hugs, and songs. They felt grateful for this beautiful day and all the new friends they made.